All right, this is becoming a norm here, these Saturday morning work sessions. We got
Dude, again? It's the second Saturday in a row.
I'm just used to being Greg. I got Cole's coming out to help me because we got that big truss set done yesterday, and we didn't really have much time to finish up, to secure it, or to fly in these end gable trusses that I think will help define this and give us a better look as to what this is gonna be like. So what's your impressions, Cole?
I don't know. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited.
It definitely looks a little bit weird right now. Like our roof looks like it's tilted, slanted, just because that truss set up there is a shed dormer with a flat bottom to a raised cord. So this was all in an effort to keep underneath my height restrictions, but to still, you know, get the space that I really wanted. So with that, Cole and I are going to lay out these little individual sections. So we've got like an 8-foot section on both sides of the shed dormer. And then hopefully Cole will get his first experience flying in a little truss set with the Magni.
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm excited.
Okay, cool. Let's do it. All right. So let's get our first end truss, since those are on the top. Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna go to the wall. So just keep going. And we're gonna be coming back. Keep coming, okay. Right about there. Now go that way. Take it that way. Kind of get it squared up with the building. Keep going. Now hold it right there. You balance it, okay?
Okay.
Let's go grab another one. Whoa, whoa.
Hello.
No. We got to get it inside of here.
Yep.
So you go out. No, go out more. Oh. I gotta go in. So you come out.
Oh, out.
There you go. Even though this isn't an exact size of a 2x4, this is designed so that we can come in here and put a board like this and create our overhang.
Okay.
Thanks for coming out and helping me, dude.
Yep.
I mean, I know I'm paying you, but
even if you weren't, I still would.
I know. Okay, remember you gotta come out. Oh, this one's gonna be a little tricky. No, I gotta get on the other side.
Yep. There we go.
So basically 2-foot edge. All right, now we've got the 2 truss sets kind of laid out. We've got to do outlookers for our overhang. So we got to do a little bit of cutting, get things prepped. We'll get all that installed. Then I'm thinking we'll be able to lay sheathing on top of this and get them hung. So this is a fun little Saturday morning project here, and small enough that I'm not stressed out about hanging them, but big enough that I think Cole will enjoy the process of swinging them around with the Magni. Yep, you're gonna hold this up like this, Cole. It's gonna be flush almost with the top, because I'm gonna basically do this. You see where the little X is?
Yeah.
That's where the stud is, okay?
Okay.
So you just need to get it close for me and we'll get this kind of laid out.
I'm flush with the top?
No. You're not flush with the top. You're flush if you were to square it down with a square.
Okay.
Pull that out just a hair so I can get my square back here. Okay. Let's do this one. Now remember, I'm only concerned about me. You're just getting it close.
Yep.
And it's not that I don't care about you. It's just that we do one at a time.
Yeah.
So don't take it personal.
Whatever, dude. I get it. You don't love me.
Don't go crying to Mom
you don't
now.
Love me.
Tell her
okay.
that I'm not being nice to you.
Mom, I was working with Dad and he said he didn't care about me.
All right, now, next thing we do is you're gonna take the square.
Yep.
And you're gonna hold it like this on the backside, and you see how it's not square? You see how the bottom is gapped? If we push the whole thing to the side, it brings it.
Oh,
see that?
Yeah.
So you do that. You tell me when.
Good.
So when our sheathing gets put on here, we're gonna have a board that'll come across and support the overhang, okay? And I'm gonna go 2 foot on center, all the way up this thing. And go ahead and square this, and then come down like this, just like that, on those marks, okay? All right, so now we're gonna take these. Okay.
And the other one is on this side.
Yep, just like that.
Wait, this is backwards. It's supposed to be like this.
There you go. So now what we gotta do is we gotta lay out here the height of them, which we need a little cut piece of wood here. So let's just say 21 3/4. This will be, this is right where it's gonna go.
Dang.
So now I can take my 60 penny, line up this edge, okay? Okay, remember when you put your square down there on the face?
Yeah.
Go ahead and do that for me again. There you go.
I gotcha.
That's what I needed. I just wanted to confirm.
Yep.
So that's where that one's gonna go. And you're gonna hook this bottom like this, grab the tape. That shouldn't have to move. You should be able to just hold this tape tight. And I'm gonna go to 24 inches. Yep. You gotta watch your head though. Boom, boom. Okay, we'll go to the next one. No, always hook from the same one.
Oh, okay.
Yep, that way we always have a very consistent like tape pull. If I'm off a 16th or a 32nd,
yeah,
it'll be okay. But if I'm off every time we move the tape 32nd, then we can get off. So
it gets
you
to be a bigger problem.
Mm-hmm. Yes, thank you for picking that up. Oops. Dang it, it bounced on me. Keep taking it up. Okay.
It got cut on the end of the board.
I need to cut a 5/12 on it. Okay, now your goal is to be flush, Cole, at the top.
Hold up. Okay.
Now what I need to do is at least make sure this first one, or the second one, whatever, is where I kind of want it. Now I just mark 2 foot. All right, now we did do the same thing, Cole, and kind of get square. We got to square them up with our square on the edge. We should, if we do our job right, this right here hooked on should be 8 foot center. So clearly we've got a little bit of, that's probably not perfect. So let's go ahead and get a sheet of OSB, Weather Logic. We'll get this set on, and then we'll go ahead and get this nailed, and we'll go right up this thing. Okay. It'll kind of lock it in, and as we go up, we'll finish those guys.
Oh, you're messing me.
The hammer is the most important part, okay? Hold that, okay? Now what I need you to do is, not as much on the hammer, but on your hand. Whoa, 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 don't do that. Okay.
It's caught on something.
Yeah, I know. It's all right. It's all good, dude. Okay, give me just a little more. Up. Yeah, right there. Hold that. Down a little. We just pushed and pulled this where we wanted it. Now you should be pretty dang close up the edge of this fascia. You're good here. That's the important thing. So now we'll push that, kind of like hold the sheet. Yep, push that in. See? Yeah. Okay, now hold up. The thing to remember is that wood is never perfect.
Yeah.
You can look and find the best board, and it's still probably not going to be perfect. So we put it where we want it. I'm 2 foot on center. That's perfect. All right.
This?
Yeah, you push, and I'm going to pull this sheathing a little bit. Hold a little more right there. Hold that.
Let me get over here.
Nice work. Push it my way. Okay.
Oh, there's a piece of gravel in there. That's why.
That will do it. So 1 foot, 10.5 is the edge plus 3/4. So we'll be drilling this side, and my right will be the square around side.
Okay.
So this is my drill.
Okay, so I'm doing the other side.
Yep. What do we got going on here, dude? We got 2 lines.
The outside one.
Okay.
I didn't want to take any chances and be like a 16th off, so I figured I'd remark
That a boy. You are my true chosen son.
Did you have some unchosen ones?
Yeah, they didn't care about 16ths.
What?
No, it's fine, it's fine. That board's kind of ugly.
I don't know what the board did to you, man. Don't put it on blast like that.
It's ugly, dude. Okay, so we are 48 7/8, let's say. Okay, now go to this one. 48. To figure out where this is cut, I just run a straight edge. Say, oh, there we go. That's where the lines come together. Must be the center. And then I just cut a 5/12 because that's the pitch. And that don't look like center at all to me. Hello?
Surprise.
Let me pull this truss design up real quick. I just don't know why the peak is not very lined up, but we're straight. So 15.2 is where it should be.
So yeah, it's over.
Yeah, so I'm gonna mark it, I'm gonna go where it should be and we're gonna make it work. Hold it there, big dog.
Okay. Yeah.
Hold it there, push it my way. It can't fall down if you keep it. All right, we got this made as much as I think we're gonna do. Because I've got sheathing up there already on the roof, I need to kind of line that sheathing up with the back side of this truss section here. So we're gonna try to lift this up, fly it in, and set it in place right over here on this end. And then once we get it tied in, then we can figure out where the sheathing goes exactly, because we need to stay in line with the back side. The front side doesn't matter, so we did that, and it's gonna be a little interesting probably to make the pick, because there'll be a lot more weight here on the front. So we'll have to do a little bit of, I don't know, trial and error probably on the pick, but we gotta get the Magni warmed up, get the straps on it, and then we'll send her up in the air. So I got 2 pick points on this side and then 1 in the middle, and I'm hoping that will help balance it. The problem is I don't really know until I lift it up, so we're just gonna go ahead, send it, see what it does. Can always set it back down and rebalance.
Okay.
Okay, hold it, dude, you gotta hold it. Let's, pretty low on that corner though, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if I get that hook around the corner with that other strap.
That's even worse, I feel like. Ooh, that scared me.
No.
No. That has to be tighter.
I don't know where to pick this thing from, dude.
Okay. Hear this.
We gotta go right around here.
That's what I'm thinking.
But it'll just slide. We'll have to put a block there or something. Oh, I hope this ain't messing me up. Paging.
Yeah.
Gregory Haas.
I think you need a...
I think I need to go...
I think you need a brace on that end truss, Dad.
This?
Yes.
Yeah, we definitely need to do something here.
Yes.
This is...
That's not okay.
No. Nah, I don't like that, dude. All right, I think we're gonna be about as good as we're gonna make it here on this balancing. So we're gonna get a tag line on it and we're gonna try to swing it in. You can kind of pull it down, Cole. You're gonna swing it this way because your end is this outside corner.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna spin it like this. Let's go ahead and spin it. I'm gonna lift it up a little higher. Just like that. And Cole?
Yeah?
The posts that are up there are gonna sit right underneath there. Don't stand underneath this thing exactly. Come on back here.
Okay.
Okay, and you're gonna guide it right in. But try to turn it so that it's already in the position that it's gonna go in. So yeah, you keep turning it, nice and slow movements, because it'll wanna keep moving.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna go up.
If you hold the tag line, I can go up on the scissor lift and...
Well, I'll go up on the scissor lift also. Once we get it kind of located where we want it. No.
Is that me?
No, that fascia board, okay? That fascia board, we gotta get it down. That post, Cole, we need to get the posts into that first bay. Does that make sense?
God. Yeah. Oh, top.
Where?
First post, corner.
Okay, that's actually close to where it's gonna go. It just needs to get pushed over. I think you're good with the tag line. We're gonna have to take that, grab that drill. Let's go up in the scissor lift. Okay.
Do I need my belt?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Yo, we got it. It was, I'm not gonna say it wasn't a challenge, but we did get it there. It's where it needs to be. Everything fit in nice. And hey, it was a good Saturday working with the boy, you know? I am pretty sure before this is all over, I'm gonna owe him quite a bit of money because we don't work as fast on the weekend. We spend a lot more time talking and thinking, which I think is also great, but now it's starting to make more sense. You've got the gable end that matches that gable end. It's kind of nice having the fascia. And then when you go in, that's when you can see now that flat bottom cord. So if I come around to the end, now you can start to see the shed dormer develop, which once we get some overhangs on that, that'll look good. And then there's 3 monster windows here too. So it's gonna help define it. But yeah, that's looking pretty cool.